So today I'm talking about a P2304 code, what it is and how you could go about fixing it. And so what is a P2304 code? Well, it's an Ignition Coil B primary control circuit high. And so what does this mean? Well, each cylinder on the engine is going to have a coil that's going to ignite the air-fuel ratio mixture that's going into the cylinder. But when you get this P2304 code, the computer's seeing a problem with one of these coils, mainly the coil B, which is going to be located on the number 2 cylinder. And so it's going to have to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P2304 code? Well, the first thing that can cause this is that ignition coil B on cylinder number 2, that it's gone bad, that it needs to be replaced. There's some different ways to go about testing these coils. One method is to swap out the coil with the known good one and see if the problem follows. So for example, say ignition coil A on cylinder number 1, you're not getting no codes for it, you know it's good. You can't swap out coil B for coil A on cylinder number 1 and then just see if the problem follows. And if it does follow, then you know it has a problem. There's also some other ways to go about testing these coils. If you have a multimeter, you can test them that way. I made videos on this. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check that out. But the first thing that could cause this is a bad ignition coil B. The next thing that could cause this is a bad spark plug. This isn't going to be too common, but just keep in mind that the spark plug on cylinder number 2, that if it goes bad and it's fouling out, then that can't cause problems. So the next thing on the list is going to be a bad spark plug. And the next thing on the list is going to be that there's some kind of wiring problem going to that coil B. And this is going to be something like an open, a short, a bad fuse, something along those lines. Usually if there's a bad fuse, you're going to be getting a lot of other codes. Other coils are not going to be working because usually they're all in the same fuse. You can also go and get wiring schematics for that vehicle because there will be differences on what's going on with the wiring. There can be a 2-wire coil. There can also be 3-wire and 4-wire type of coils. So it's always a good idea to get wiring schematics for that particular vehicle. But if you have a multimeter, you can't go and check and be sure you're getting voltage to it. You got a good ground, because the next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of problem in the wiring going to that coil B. The last thing on the list is going to be a bad computer. This isn't going to be too common. It is fairly rare for a computer to go bad, but it does happen sometimes. Usually when a computer does go bad, you're going to be getting a lot of other codes. Usually you just don't get one code. Also, if you do think you have a bad computer, be sure to check all your fuses. Be sure those are good. Be sure the battery is good, that it's charged. Also check the battery connections and be sure those are good. Because if the computer doesn't have a good stable power supply, then that can cause issues. But the last thing on the list is going to be a bad computer. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P2304 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.